What is going on, fam? So in today's video, we are reporting live from Pizza's shop. It's actually you guys' first time look at Pizza's shop. And I don't know if you guys have seen the GTO before, but Eric, Peas, I call him Peas. He drives 2004 Pontiac GTO, and he's got the Volvo right here, which we are getting ready to pull out. Reason being is because we got some goodies for the daily today. We just had a swap meet out by where I live. I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with the Big E, but they had a swap meet out there earlier this morning, and I picked up a short ram intake for the EK. And reason being I picked that up is because I got a little strut tower bar. It's actually like a 4-piece. I'll show you guys in a second. In order to fit that, I had to remove the stock box. So that is the goal for today, to get that intake all dialed in, get the strut bar all dialed in, and do a little oil change on her. And hopefully she's track ready after that. Should be tearing up the street soon enough, you know, ripping that single overhead cam. So let's get to it. Little look inside the Volvo, equipped with some Corbeau buckets. And she got the quick release John on there. I think that's a Momo, right? Yep, Momo. It's the Momo boy. What else we got done to this thing? There's a sub in here. It's like 210s or a 10? 12? 112. 112 back here. Speakers. She got the speakers. Factory exhaust. Wait, no.
Yeah. It's just like all his own pipes and muffler.
Word, and that tractor, Johnny. That John Deere. Oh, she got the clear tails. Honestly, guys, if I were to ever switch over to like a different car manufacturer, in terms of reliability, in terms of modifications, price, style, I would probably cop a Volvo. I mean, if I was looking for like another older project car, or just like a beater car, or another daily, these Volvos, from my experience, are absolutely just bulletproof. I got another buddy who's got one who has like a hood dump sticking out. I'll show a picture right here, my buddy Lockjaw. But these things go through the absolute ringer, and they take it. So if I would ever get another project or another little daily beater, I wouldn't be opposed to getting a Volvo. So let me know what you guys think. This is how we open the hood in the daily, because never let a female touch your car. I let my ex touch my car and she broke the hood latch on this thing, or the, like, where you pull it. Instead of pulling it, or no, instead of flipping it up, she tried pulling it out and broke the plastic. So now we gotta pry that baby up. She's mint, does the trick. Now we're moving the intake. We're not doing the oil change first because, you know, this is the important stuff. You know, speed. In speed, we trust. In speed, we die. Or live by the speed, die by the speed. You know what I'm saying? So, who needs oil when you're going fast as Basically, just tearing her off and hoping that... I got another coupler. I got a couple other couplers, but I'm going to try maybe to use this. If you guys can feel it through the camera, it's stiff as my Johnson. And of course, she's JDM as...
Is this an EK intake?
Hell yeah.
I mean, it'll work, I'm pretty sure. Oh, looks like, yeah, see this sensor right here? That must be what this guy is. I'm assuming.
Yeah, I'd assume so.
That'd be pretty helpful. Hopefully that's what's going on.
Yeah, we got the JDM.
JDM.
You know, come on now. Quit playing.
This overnight parts from Japan just came in.
About to go fast, dude. And we got this dandy little strut brace. And as you guys see, it is a 4-point. So it is all the strength right there, you know. It's better than the single. And this is a limited edition. This was actually a gift from Peas, so shout out you.
Limited edition, you welcome.
Little test fit action for you guys. Got the stock intake out, and this is how it's gonna line up. I just gotta get a new coupler because this is hard as a rock and it's not gonna work. But basically the intake's gonna sit just like that. obviously right on the throttle body. Then this is the strut tower brace, and it's gonna look just like that, which in my opinion looks pretty damn good. Nice and shiny, you know, Honda Boy style, and it's gonna function even better. So excited for that. Probably gonna have to make our troop over to AutoZone. Hopefully they have a coupler and maybe even a intake filter. Alrighty guys, so it is Monday. The last time I was recording it was a Friday or Saturday. I got the Amazon 2-day shipping, and the filters here, the air filter, DC Sports, I went with that. It was like 28 bucks on Amazon. I was gonna grab a K&N one, but it was like $65, so for the daily, ain't worth it in my opinion. And then got this coupler, which is 2.5-inch ID, and the throttle body, I believe, is a little bit bigger than the intake piping. So as you guys see, it's almost a little too big for the intake, but it should do fine and should fit the throttle body perfect. So that'll be nice. And then obviously still got the strut bar. Get ready to get all this stuff on, pull the car in. Should be a quick thing. And it's snowing out, so I won't really be able to test everything out, but at least we'll be able to hopefully test her out tomorrow. What the old owner of this intake did is they RTV'd the sensor right into this bung here, this hole. So what Pease and I did is we grabbed the old grommet from the factory intake, and it fits right in there perfect, and the sensor will slide right in. So that'll be much more proper than how it was before. So I have the intake tightened down on the coupler, attached to the throttle body, and I have the strut brace held in on the back by 2 screws right now. It's on a little bit of a pivot point, that way I have some play, because I have to drill out holes in this top tower, strut tower. When I tightened these all the way in, it brought this to a point where these holes didn't line up, so I just gave it some play, that way I can get these drilled in and get her all mint. So time to get to drilling. All right, so guys, as you already saw, intake's on, strut brace is on, drilled out the holes that I was talking about, got everything all lined up, and now these bolts are just sitting in there, and there's washers on that side, and I got a nut, a lock washer, and a flat washer to put on underneath. I had to take off the wheels in order to get on under there, but that's where we're at right now. So after that, she should be good to go.
Oh, no.
So guys, we are officially ready for the races. The bay is all done. Shout out my guy Bryce for all the help, and shout out my guy Pease for all the help. So as you saw shortly ago, had the bolts lined up right there, and now the nuts are on the bottom with the lock washers. She's all good to go. Basically, I'm gonna turn the key over, and it's a complete mess inside my car, excuse me. But I'm gonna go test this thing out. Yeah, it's the daily vibes. Test its handling out in the snow. Probably grab some donuts or something. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. It's fast as yeah, dude. Like, I don't know if it's street safe. Yeah. I don't know if this should be street legal, to be honest, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Here's a nice little sound clip of the race car, guys. Damn, dude, she's fast. Holy crap, dude. She's fully built, too. She got the headers. She got the JDM intake with a backbone. Come on now, quit playing. Fully built D. She's ready for the drag. What time is she putting down? Comments down below. I'm saying I'm saying maybe a 8.